Imagine waking up after a full night's sleep, only to feel that familiar drag, like your body's battery is perpetually low. You push through the day, relying on coffee or quick snacks, but by evening, you're wiped out again, wondering if this exhaustion is just part of getting older or juggling too much. It's a scenario many of us know all too well. That quiet frustration when energy seems to slip away no matter what we do. In our fast-paced world, where work demands stretch into evenings and screens keep us up late, this kind of fatigue has become almost a cultural norm. We're constantly bombarded with messages about hustling harder, but beneath it all, our bodies are signaling something deeper. Mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses inside our cells, are at the heart of this issue. They're responsible for turning food into usable energy, yet modern lifestyles, filled with processed foods, chronic stress, and sedentary habits, are wearing them down. This isn't just a personal struggle, it's a reflection of how society has shifted. Historically, our ancestors relied on nutrient-dense diets from hunting and gathering, rich in compounds that supported cellular health. Today, with convenience foods dominating shelves and time for rest in short supply, mitochondrial dysfunction is rising, linked to everything from everyday tiredness to broader health concerns. But what if one simple amino acid found in everyday sources could help turn this around? Let's dive into what's happening inside your body. Mitochondria aren't just passive organelles, they're dynamic structures that generate ATP, the energy currency that powers every movement, thought, and breath. When they're functioning well, you feel vibrant and resilient. But over time, factors like oxidative stress from free radicals, poor nutrition, and even environmental toxins can damage them. This leads to a cascade where energy production falters, waste builds up, and cells struggle to repair themselves. Picture it like a factory line slowing down. Parts wear out, efficiency drops, and the whole system feels the strain. In this state, people often experience persistent low energy, where even simple tasks feel monumental, or notice slower recovery after exercise, as muscles don't get the fuel they need. Mental fog can creep in too, making concentration harder because brain cells rely heavily on mitochondrial output. And in the long run, this cellular wear contributes to age-related changes, where vitality dims, not suddenly, but gradually, mirroring how our culture often normalizes pushing through exhaustion rather than addressing its roots. To understand the mechanism behind potential repair, we need to look closely at how mitochondria work and how they can be supported. These organelles have their own DNA, separate from the rest of the cell, and they produce energy through a process called the electron transport chain. Here, electrons from food molecules are passed along proteins, creating a proton gradient that drives ATP synthesis. But this process also generates reactive oxygen species like superoxide, which can harm mitochondrial proteins and membranes if not kept in check. Enter taurine, a sulfur-containing amino acid that's not essential in the diet, but plays a crucial role in cellular health. Taurine acts in several ways to bolster mitochondria. First, it forms a conjugate with a specific transfer RNA in the mitochondria called tRNA for leucine. This modification ensures that mitochondrial proteins are synthesized accurately, maintaining the stability and function of the respiratory chain complexes. Without this, protein production falters, leading to inefficient energy generation and increased oxidative damage. Taurine also directly reduces the production of superoxide by enhancing the activity of antioxidant enzymes within the cell, creating a protective shield against free radical buildup. Additionally, it helps regulate calcium levels inside the mitochondria too. Too much calcium can trigger membrane collapse and cell death, but taurine prevents this overload, preserving the organelle's integrity and energy output. In studies on conditions like mitochondrial encephalopathy, lactic acidosis, and stroke-like episodes, known as MELAS, taurine supplementation has restored protein synthesis, improved ATP production, and reduced harmful superoxide. This isn't about rebuilding from scratch, but repairing and optimizing existing structures, much like tuning an engine to run smoother. Historically, taurine was discovered in the 19th century from ox bile. Its name comes from the Latin for bull and has been used in Japanese medicine since the 1980s for heart conditions, where mitochondrial support is key. Culturally, it's fascinating how this compound bridges ancient wisdom and modern science. In traditional diets, heavy on seafood and meat, taurine intake was naturally high, supporting resilience in harsher environments. Today, in our era of vegan trends and processed meals, many people consume less, exacerbating the mitochondrial strain from sedentary jobs and high-stress lives. This cultural shift toward convenience has distanced us from these natural boosters, yet rediscovering them offers a way to reconnect biology with daily living. The impact of mitochondrial health ripples through everyday life in ways we might not always notice. When these powerhouses are compromised, it shows up in subtle shifts, like finding it harder to bounce back from a cold, as immune cells depend on robust energy supplies, or feeling moods dip more easily, since neurotransmitter production ties into cellular vitality. Scientifically, consensus is building around taurine's benefits. Reviews of studies show it mitigates oxidative stress and supports metabolic health, with human trials indicating improvements in energy levels and exercise performance. Historically, societies with high taurine intake, like those in Okinawa's Blue Zone, exhibit longevity, hinting at cultural diet's role in sustaining mitochondrial function amid life's demands. But it's all not doom. Understanding this empowers us to make informed choices without judgment. This brings us to a pivotal shift: incorporating taurine thoughtfully into your routine. While the body produces some, levels decline with age or stress, so dietary sources become important. Foods like shellfish, dark meat poultry, and beef are rich in it, offering a natural way to boost intake. For those preferring plant-based options, algae supplements provide a vegan alternative, though animal sources tend to be more bioavailable. Supplementation, around 500 to 2,000 milligrams daily, has shown promise in research, but remember, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have underlying conditions, as individual needs vary. Pair this with lifestyle habits that support mitochondria. Regular movement, like walking or strength training, stimulates new mitochondrial growth. Quality sleep allows cellular repair, and a diet full of colorful vegetables provides antioxidants to complement taurine's effects. Consistency is key. Small, steady changes build resilience, turning that low-energy cycle into one of sustained vitality. It's about aligning modern life with biological needs, not overhauling everything overnight. In summary, taurine offers a grounded way to support mitochondrial health, connecting ancient nutritional wisdom with today's science for better energy and well-being. You're not powerless against fatigue. With knowledge and simple steps, you can nurture your cells and reclaim that inner spark. What has your experience been with energy levels lately? Have you tried anything that's made a difference? Share in the comments below. Your story might help someone else.